Just don't start. Good morning. What is your name?
We're encouraging everybody else.
Introduce our whole. Because I want us to all be accurate.
Everyone open your Excel Academy folders.
The keywords are in one spot. I must learn to correctly identify them and jump to that spot of the text. Underline it, right? The SAT physically does not have a highlighter. The digital one does. But in both cases, mark in the passage. Passage clearly is. It's going to be population. It is, the easier it is to just jump to those how animals move in herds. They're telling what the graphs are going to say. Questions that tell you where to look first, right? The most nearly things about Harry Potter, skip all the way until you see his name. That's a good guess though, yeah. Exactly, yeah.